Hello lovely, beautiful, splendiferous people. I don't know why I called you splendiferous. I don't think that's such a word. Let's start again. Hello lovely, gorgeous, wonderful people. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for clicking, much appreciated. In today's video, as you can see by the title below, I'm coming at you with another Birchbox sort of opening, whatever you want to call it really. It's the Birchbox March unboxing, and this month's theme is International Women's Day, so I haven't dressed for the occasion, but I'm in a lot of pink today and I just felt really pink. And just a small disclaimer, really sorry about the lighting. The lighting is not great, but it'll do, it'll be fine, it'll be fun. I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Birchbox. It could be similar or dissimilar to yours if you've got one coming. Let's show you guys what I got inside my Birchbox, and before we get straight into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for my views on my last video, it's so appreciated. That got over 600 views and I was just so ecstatic. One thing, really quickly, I've been struggling like a bitch to open these, and there's an open tab, you just rip it. So if you don't know, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It costs £10, the P&P is £3.95, which is £13.95. And you get 5 products inside. Some are sample size, some are not sample size, and they're the full size. And you know, it's like a mystery every time. I've already seen the art for this box and it is gorgeous. So this is the art for the box. This box, as I said, is for International Women's Day. I didn't realise there was an International Women's Day. I really hope there's an International Men's Day as well, because they deserve love too. So this is the art. I freaking love that. That's so cute. And then all of the rest is just stripy, adorable. And it just says Birchbox on the top. So these all come as like little pulleys. Oh, I love the colour of the drawer. That's really contrasting. Looks quite cute. It'll go nicely with the others. I love these because it's like a gift from me to me. So inside we've got our cheat sheets, so I will let you guys know how much things are and what they are when I can't actually suss it out. So like I say, you get 5, maybe sometimes 6 items or products, and some are full size and some are not. So I'm just going to show you what I've got in mind. So the first thing that stands out to me, hello, that was really rude. The first thing that stands out to me is this Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. So looks a little bit like that. I have no idea what this is. So it says at the back, we believe that good thoughts attract good things, and that getting clean inside and out is definitely a good thing. We know we can't always control what happens in life, but we can control a reaction, and most of the times we find that a shower or a bath will lead us to the solution. I really hope it does, because that's what I tend to do. I've got the cheat sheet. This is the perfect sidekick to your shower gel, the environmentally friendly soy sponge. Oh, it's a soy sponge. That makes sense. So it says as well, PS, replace your scrubber when the writing on the label fades. So I am guessing there is a label on this. When that fades, you have to replace it. So this is a soy sponge and it retails for £6.95. So the next thing we've got is Forgive Me. What does that say? Oh, Susie, Jesus Christ, what sort of font is that? So the next thing we've got is a liquid eyeshadow. It's called Forgive Me Susie, and it's in, there we go, this really gorgeous like chromy pink colour. Let's have a look and a little swatch. I told you I dressed for the occasion, it's chromy pink. It comes with like a little spoon, like a lip gloss, and oh wow, wow, that is pigmented. That is nice. I like that a lot. So that's what that looks like. Really chromy. It just, the light is reflecting. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Okay. So this is full size. It retails for £8. And it's vegan, cruelty-free and exclusive to Birchbox. So if you want one of these, you're going to have to get it through Birchbox, unfortunately. But I freaking love that. That's so pretty. So cannot wait to shove that on my eye. So the next thing I've got in my box is Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum, which looks like that. It looks really like, I know it's skincare, but it looks really skincare-y, just like clean and like, you know, fresh. This is a testing size. So the full size RRP is for £32, which is quite expensive for a bloody repair serum. So this brightens up your beauty routine with a daily dose of vitamin C in the form of this I've got a bloody degree in English and I can't read this word. Innovative serum. I don't know, sorry. Let's have a little sniff. I always expect vitamin C to smell like orange. And it does. It does. I got really excited then. I just love things that smell. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you'll know that I like a good scent, so that's a nice whiff. Oh, I really like that. So hopefully this does my skin some good and protects me from the UV damage of my light. Next thing we've got in here is Jour d'Automne Blow Dry Lotion. What is this? That's what that looks like, and I think it's quite clearly a French brand, and it says, too busy to see a stylist? No problem. Part thermal protector and part leave-in treatment. This lotion helps your hair dry up to 50% faster and is packed with natural botanicals to keep your strands healthy, shiny and smooth. Rub a small amount between your palms and distribute evenly through damp hair. So I am guessing this just helps your hair. Oh, it's got a little duck on it. I just get so bloody distracted all the time. Look at the little duck in the little rubber dinghy. Wow, how cute is he? Absolutely adorable, and I'm going to call him Jeff. This also says, yay! Number 4 is all about lab-tested formulas in sleek packaging that you'll happily display in your shower. And it says on the bottle, cruelty-free and vegan. That looks like, let's have a sniff. Oh shoot! Pick the lid up. Oh, even that smells delicious. That smells... bubble. That smells really like clean. Last but not least, in my Birchbox, I have what is this? The Beauty Crop Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. I do love a good black eyeliner, and I've got a couple at the moment. My favourite one's the Maybelline one, so if this performs like the Maybelline one, then I am in luck. This is full sized, and this retails for £14. Oh, this actually looks so cool. So, looks like that, and it's just a winged liner. So, there we go. Let's have a little swatch as well, actually. That is a very, very pointy tip. My Maybelline one is a little bit like softer on the tip, but I'm going to try this, see what I think about it. But that actually does not feel bad whatsoever. It's a nice shade of black. It's black, it's pigmented, there you go. So just to recap what's in Birchbox March 2020 edition, we've got the soy sponge, we've got the liquid eyeshadow, the vitamin C serum, the faster drying hair stuff, and we've got some liquid eyeliner. So that is everything that you get in Birchbox March 2020. Well, that's everything that I got anyway. Some boxes do differ. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the like button and show your love, because oh my gosh, it helps so much. And I was so happy that my video got like 600 likes, not likes, sorry. I was just so happy that it got like over 500 views, and it was quick. Like the YouTube algorithm, I can't speak. I was just happy, basically. I was really happy. It just got quite a few views. I think the algorithm must have loved me that day. But if you want to see or hear more from me, please make sure to subscribe and ring that bell button so you're notified next time I post. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great evening. Hope you have a great weekend. I just hope you have a great life, really. If I don't see you again, I hope you have a wonderful life and that life treats you beautifully. Don't know where I'm going with this one. I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.